To
The
determine that a
mangrove
woodworm is living on that deadwood mangrove. After the tour, our way back here, monkeys tried to find a woodworm so that we can see the sample of woodworm and we could test. So those are the old growth mangrove forests. Unique, no comparisons among the mangroves we have. Sila lang, ang ganyan.
Only in the Philippines?
Yeah. It was confirmed by the visitors also. We have a visitors come from Africa. We have a visitors come from Indonesia. And it was going to be, oh yes, Lady Mangrove. This is our first time to see that the mangrove trees are looking like that. So we call them unique, no comparison.
So it's not only in the Philippines?
Yes. Other part of the world, they have their mangroves also. In Africa, they have a mangrove also, but they are not looking like that.
Famous.
So mangrove here in the Philippines, that's why we are here. We
Hello,
are here with
video.
mangrove. We are our job here is not only a tour guide
Video.
interpreter.
Yeah,
We
it's
serve
a
also
video.
as a ranger of mangrove. Because here in the Philippines, our one main product is
Oh, you went.
fish. We ate a lot of fish. Filipinos ate a lot of fish. That's why we are carrying
Alexis, I
the
can't see you.
nursery of the
She's
fish.
Feeding.
Oh,
Here
okay.
in mangrove place, this is a breeding place of the fish. During the summertime, beginning January to June, some species come from the ocean, come here, and lay their eggs. Within 6 months, after 6 months, some will going outside and others will stay here. Others will caught by the fisherman. The young fish will stay here because the falling leaves of mangrove trees together with the bark, other decomposed matters come from the jungle during the rainy seasons and they are decomposed. That is the best food for them. Not only fishes, crustaceans like shrimps, crabs, shellfish, also like that.
Here?
The oysters. These are live oysters, my dear visitors.
Oh, under?
Yes.
Oh.
And we have a giant oysters under this water over there.
Okay,
On
those are the
the rock
oysters.
pile. May laman ho yan. Buhay po yan. And people in the community are allowed to get their food inside the mangrove unless it is for consumer only. For personal purposes.
Personal consumption.
Yeah, personal consumption, not for business.
Okay.
As a visitors like you are allowed also to catch fish here for recreation and for consumption. So here, this is the breeding